Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
Goan Tizaan, also known as finger millet porridge, is a wholesome traditional Goan recipe made with ragi flour or nachni, fresh coconut milk and jaggery. It's a comforting dish often enjoyed for breakfast or as a nourishing snack. Rich in nutrients and naturally sweetened, Tizaan is known for its smooth, creamy texture and earthy flavor, with a touch of warmth from cardamom and the goodness of cashews. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Tizaan. You'll learn how to extract thick and thin coconut milk from fresh coconut, blend it with ragi flour, and gently simmer it with jaggery to get the perfect consistency without any lumps. This dish is not only gluten-free and dairy-free but also packed with health benefits, ideal for both kids and adults looking for a natural energy boost. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious and healthy Goan Tizaan. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take a block of coconut jaggery. Cut the jaggery into very thin slices. Although coconut jaggery is a healthier option, sugarcane jaggery or sugar can also be used. However, the color of the tizaan will be lighter. If there are any pieces left, then cut them fine too. We used around half cup of coconut jaggery. We also used half cup of ragi flour, which is also called nachni or finger millet flour. 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. 10 to 12 cashew nuts cut into small pieces. Half teaspoon of green cardamom powder. 2 pinches of salt. Step 2. Extracting the coconut milk. In a mixer grinder, add the freshly grated coconut. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Grind the coconut to extract thick coconut milk. Once it is ground, place a strainer on a bowl, pour the ground coconut in it and press with a spoon or spatula to extract thick coconut milk. Press firmly to extract all the coconut milk from the ground coconut. Save the thick coconut milk in another bowl. We will get around 1 cup or 250 ml of thick coconut milk. Now take the coconuts that you have already ground and put it back into a mixer grinder to extract thin coconut milk. Add 2 cups or 500 ml of water. Grind the coconut again. Place an empty bowl under the strainer, pour the ground coconut in it and press firmly to now extract thin coconut milk. We will get 2 cups or 500 ml of thin coconut milk. Step 3. Preparing the tizaan mixture. In the bowl containing the thin coconut milk, add half the quantity of ragi flour. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Try and break any lumps that may be present. Add the remaining quantity of ragi flour. Mix everything nicely. Tizaan is more than just a comfort food. It's a nutritious powerhouse perfect for daily wellness. Add the salt and add the jaggery. Since we have already cut the jaggery into fine pieces, it should mix nicely. Ensure that there are no lumps. Our tizaan mixture is ready. Step 4. Preparing the tizaan. On medium-low heat in a wide-open, thick-bottom pan, add the tizaan mixture. Mix everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Naturally sweetened, vegan and gluten-free, tizaan is gentle on the stomach and suitable for all ages. After around 3 minutes or so, add the cashew nuts. Mix everything nicely. Cook until the mixture starts to thicken. Keep stirring and ensure that there are no lumps. Tizaan is rich in calcium, fiber and antioxidants, which is great for bone health, digestion and blood sugar control. Once the mixture thickens, add the thick coconut milk. Mix everything nicely. Keep stirring and ensure that there are no lumps. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Check for sweetness and add jaggery or sugar if required. After the mixture starts bubbling, add the green cardamom powder. Mix everything nicely. Once it starts bubbling and achieves a medium thick consistency, the tizaan is ready. Tizaan can be served hot or cold. Tizaan is more than just a comfort food. It's a nutritious powerhouse perfect for daily wellness. Delicious and healthy Goan Tizaan is ready.
Do let us know if you liked this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.